Today we're going to be making suet pastry, which is an old British classic that's not used very often, but it creates wonderful steamed savoury or sweet puddings, and you can use it to make a delicious pie crust baked in the oven. Today it is made from beef suet or vegetarian suet, so let's do it. I have in a bowl here 300 grams of sifted self-raising flour and 150 grams of suet. You can use either vegetarian or beef suet, both work well. So with a cutlery knife, cut into the mixture and it will break down the suet. This is easy to do. You should end up with a breadcrumb mix. Then you add half a teaspoon of salt. You can also add other flavours as well at this stage for variations such as mustard powder or herbs. Gradually add 150 ml approximately of cold water and then cut in again until a soft dough is formed. This type of pastry is a little more sticky and elastic in texture. Also, this pastry you can roll out straight away without rusting. The self-raising flour starts working when you add the water, so it's not necessary. Suet pastry is made a bit thicker than other pastry when you're rolling it out. So roll out to your desired size for your recipe. You can use this for a steamed meat pudding or add a little sugar for a sweet one. If you're baking it in the oven, it creates a crisp crust with a soft fluffy underlay. I hope you have success with your suet pastry this week. Let me know in the comments how you got on, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'll see you next time. I'm off for my cup of tea, a nice jasmine tea here. So I'll see you. Bye.